Hey there guys, it's Ting and I hope that you're all well. So today I'm going to be doing a video to show you guys exactly what is in the November Lengbox and how to use the products. And here it is. I'm going to start off with one of my favourites and it is the Jamiso Let's Go kit. So the reason I chose this kit is because it features 4 of the best selling products from Chumiso. And I'm going to start off with one of my favourite products that I use every day, and that's the Jamiso All Day Vitamin Serum. This serum is formulated with niacinamide and also vitamin tree extract, which is great for evening out your skin tone and brightening your complexion. I use this product during the daytime, after I cleanse but before I moisturise. And next up is the All Day Vitamin Cleanser. This is a mild and low pH cleanser that's good for brightening a dull complexion. It's formulated with vitamin tree extract and it also contains salicylic acid, and it's really great for cleansing your skin and keeping it nice and clear. So to use this cleanser, all you need to do is apply a little bit of water, create a nice lather, and then massage it all over your face, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. And next up we have the Jamiso AHA 5% toner. This one is an alcohol-free toner that's great for refining your pores. After cleansing, apply a generous amount to a cotton pad and gently sweep it all over your face. So because this is formulated with glycolic and lactic acid, make sure that you wear a broad spectrum SPF during the daytime. SPF 30 or higher. And last but not least is the Jamiso Snail and Cintella cream. Personally, I am a fan of this cream because I have dry patches around here and I also have sensitive skin as well. And I find that this is a really good one for hydrating my skin and soothing it at the same time. Okay, moving on to the next product, and it's the It Skin Have a Pomegranate Cleansing Foam. Some of you guys will remember that I'm a huge fan of the It Skin Banana Cleansing Foam, so I was really excited to try this one out. This one has nourishing and anti-aging benefits as it contains green tea and pomegranate extract. Next up is the 10 Jasmine Musk Hand Cream. The reason I chose this product is because it's getting a little bit cold over here, and I don't know about you guys, but my hands get really dry and chapped. And of course, your Lengbox wouldn't be complete without some sheet masks. So first up we have the potato sheet mask. The reason I chose this one is because not only is it fun to use, but it's also really soothing. So it's really great for skin that's really dull, tired, and a bit... So when I was younger, I suffered with acne, dry skin, flaky skin, sensitive skin. Oats was a really good way for me to moisturise my skin and soothe it, and also provide a nice gentle exfoliation. And that's why you'll find a Oatmeal sheet mask in your November Lengbox. This sheet mask is great for when your skin is feeling really dry and it just needs a load of moisture put back into it. Last but not least, a kelp sheet mask. This kelp sheet mask is great for when your skin is feeling really stressed and it just needs purifying. Last up we have the Benton Shear Butter and Coconut Body Lotion sample. Just a heads up guys, there is limited quantity available and it is first come first served. The link is in the bio, so feel free to check it out. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to DM me, or alternatively you can also drop a message below. If a subscription isn't for you, that's totally fine. You can also buy one-off boxes for yourself or as a gift. When it comes to gifting, you can include a gift note and gift wrap. So that's it guys, thank you all so much for watching. Take care of yourself, take care of your mind, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!